LS, wannabe LS3 over here. It's technically a Gen 4 6.0 that we bored out, and this is for Cody. And we took it apart quite some time ago, and finally we're putting it together and building it because it's been sitting around in pieces. And we're gonna start out with a cam, putting the cam in first. And this is your cam specs, same thing as mine. We always use this cam for reliable builds. You don't need anything too crazy. So we'll start with that. Really put that braking oil in there, or this heavy-duty oil stabilizer. That's what we use for assembly oil.
Stabilizer?
Yeah, it's that Lucas stuff. I mean,
so it was stabilizer.
It's stabilizer.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
It never drains off the parts usually. I mean, there's good oils for building and like assembly lube essentially, but this is what we always use. If it blows up, Yana, you're buying a new engine. Fucking make sure you ding up the fucking cam bearings and install it. We got the cam in, and then the cam plate, and then we torqued it. And now we're gonna put the cam gear on and then the crank. We're just checking the cam.
Was that a fucking fart?
Bro, come on. Bro. Oh, I'm just checking the crank, make sure it's all clean before we put it in. Now we gotta put it in. We got all the bearings in there, nails. Oh my god. Should added that fucking meat in there. Oh my god.
Oh my god! Wow! Oh my god!
Alright, so on these LS cranks, we weld the reluctor ring to the crank. Some people MIG them, some people TIG them, but yeah, both sides. That's to prevent from the reluctor ring from spinning on the crank, and that would mess up your physical timing on the crank, and your car will run like shit, essentially. On this particular LS, we're not gonna run a windage tray because we're doing a dry sump, and these main studs come with a stud that's handmade that holds the factory windage tray. We're not gonna run that, and it's gonna hit the pan, so we're cutting these off. That's what I do on all mine. Pretty standard.
He's like record. Record the Yana. He's like record the easiest engine in the world at the time. God damn it! What's going on here?
What did I do?
Oh.
Listen, it's sometimes easy.
That's funny.
Sometime.
So I think we got it. Ladies and gentlemen, we got it.
Change my state of mind. Ladies and gentlemen, love's so hard to find. We got him.
Alright, we got the cranking, we got that torque down, we got 2000s of thrust, and that's the max we could get. It's fine. It's
Standard
what we want,
procedure.
But it's on a tight side. Standard procedure. And now we got the timing components on, we got the chain on, we got this guide on there, and everything's torqued up, and we check the timing. We'll check it again once we have the pads on, and we'll measure push rod length. But right now we're on to the installing. Oh, we're still torquing it with this angle meter. We still want to watch where it lands because it could be wrong. So this is 85, so it should be about right before the 90. So it should stop, click right about here, or beep. Oh. I'm gonna fucking drink this. This is all the lifters. They're pre-soaked since yesterday. It's 24 hours. Ideal. What would I say? What was that saying?
Standard procedure.
Standard procedure. What was that saying? What was I saying before? I forgot.
What's
Gonna
the
keep
joke?
cleaning
What's
up
the
the deck
punchline?
surface.
We need buzzword.
Connected together without plastic trays, but they're way expensive.
Dots are all going the right way.
That's a good sign.
Yeah.
They didn't fuck it
These
up.
dots are all going the right way.
So I mean, let's take a picture of it too, because this is like
We're still in time.
you never see these pistons on this block. This is an LY6. It's a 6.2. You know, kind of rare. You know. I don't think anybody have done it around here. Maybe they have.
A little fucking compression in it now.
There's no compression.
I know, so it's straight off the head, so like, oh, it feels like it though.
It's the rings getting stuck.
Yeah, fucking actual wrench.
So this is an LS9 head gasket. And the reason why we need it is we need 7 layers just to help it seal. Plus, we need the head to be a little bit higher away from the piston with the camera will be running. And this is how we space it out.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so you can't get
fatter
LS3.
head gasket.
Yeah, LS3 is too thin. The pistons might touch the valves.
With this, that's what you did. You changed this a little.
Yeah.
Get ready.
Come here.
Let me do the final.
Go with a
wipe
finger.
off. So I see white shit on here.
It's getting those little things in there. See?
You gotta wipe that.
No, it's not gonna come off. That's the thing. That's not. No, you're getting. I'm trying to get the lint out of there.
Get this.
Listen, if I wasn't involved, this go to it would burn to the days of death. You know what? Get the out of here. And don't bother coming in tomorrow and get you terminated. Good, it's about time.
The mill. We'll re-mill it just a bit. It should be clean when we get.
Alright, that's it. I just want you to look, not touch.
Dude, look at all the shit I got off it.
That was already on there. You got lint in there.
Got Linda in there.
Well, I don't want it to fucking get stuck. You better clean that
It
shit.
sticks the valve. It's stuck. Floats.
Oh, Cody.
What was that?
You dropped my cap.
Oh, oil.
Yeah.
You got all the lifters in, everything.
I think so.
You check.
Are the pistons all
shit.
in?
Pistons, torque, spun. You check timing.
Police.
Top and center. Everything clean.
Oh.
You're feeling good about it?
Nah. Feeling sick. Is this the bolt? Wait.
Why is your fucking drill just
Wet.
covered in oil? It's just soaked. It is. I grabbed it and it's unbelievable how wet it is.
That's a compliment. It's unbelievable how wet it is.
He snaps the first one.
I want to freak, no need from a steep, just keep it real and I will feel your thoughts, they hold you back from things that you want to fulfill. On your breath, I smell the lust of pain to you, it's like a drug, no differences in what we love.
Alright, so we got the heads on, that's torqued. We got the rockers push rod, and the length is correct for the push rods. Engine turns over, and then that's it. We're taking her up, and I gotta still put the clutch in there. But otherwise, we made a long block today. We made good progress. And then, what do you think is gonna run, Cody?
What do you mean?
What do you think we did?
What it's done?
Yeah.
6 to 8 years.
Oh my god.
Finally used all that oil.
Alright. I'll put a little bit of that in the spark light holes.